Now that we have lag-adjusted acquisition-related sales and marketing, getting the lag-adjusted acquisition-related marketing CAC is pretty easy. We simply take the lag-adjusted acquisition-related sales and marketing and divide that by total acquisitions. This is what we get over here. And now if we were to compare CAC under those two definitions, this is what we would see. So you can see when we account for leads and lags, the CAC is actually smaller than if we don't. And the intuition behind that is that the amount that we're spending on acquisitions basically moving up over time. And if it is the case that the spending in the earlier periods are what's driving acquisitions in the later periods, then when you think about the definition of CAC, it's basically the spending divided by the acquisitions. Because we're now pulling from earlier periods, the numerator is smaller than it otherwise was. So again, you can see that by comparing these numbers over here, which are not adjusted for time, to these numbers over here, which are adjusted for time. It just so happens in this case that the trends are moving in the same direction. Mathematically, it does not have to be that way, but we do see that here. But this is a more general phenomenon that in general, lag adjusted versus unadjusted CAC, typically we'll see the lag adjusted figures being smaller. And so there's an incentive by firms then to want to report lag adjusted numbers if they can.